Hello friends, welcome to learn CorelDRAW. Now let us start the lecture. Today we are going to learn very simple thing, polygon. Okay, draw the polygon. You can increase here number of points. Okay, give the color, and here you can change any node with the help of shape tool. Let us change the node. Like this you can create any type of drawing. As per your creativity you can change the node. Okay, but if you try to change the color of this node, then what happen? Only some color, some part are filled or some are hollow space. Then let us see how to fill color within this hollow space. For that purpose, you can use Smart Fill tool. Here you can use Smart Fill. Okay, you can simply give the color. Just click on a empty space, but your space should be closed because this space should be closed. The space is closed like this. You can fill it with Smart Fill tool. You can also go to more colors, and from here, from this palette you can choose a color and then fill it. Okay, suppose by mistake I fill here, then here also color is overfill. Okay, let us choose another color. But whenever you fill it with color, then it will form the separate object, like this. If I click here and move the object, then it will create a new object. Then while filling the color, here are some settings. If you want no outline while filling the color, then there is no outline. Suppose here I use no outline and fill here the color. Now let us see. This object is separate and color fill is separate, therefore you can easily move this object. Now here is no outline. Okay, other options are, if you want to use outline use. If you want to use default, you can use default. Okay, or you can also specify the shape. Okay, use default. By default there is outline. Okay, like this you can use the Smart Fill tool to fill the remaining spaces. Then you have to group it. Hold the select the whole object and click on group. Now this is whole object. Okay. Now how to use Smart Drawing tool. Smart Drawing tool is used to draw the smooth curves or draw the basic shapes. Suppose I want to draw the triangle. Give the enter. This triangle is formed. If I want to draw the circle, simply press the enter or double click. I want to draw the square, enter. But yeah, it will use to only draw the basic shapes. If you draw like this something, then it will remain the same. You can easily draw the smooth curves line like this with the help of shape tool. You can also resize these curves. Okay, like this Smart Drawing and Smart Fill tool is used. It is very interesting tool. Okay, you can also form the new object with the help of Smart Fill tool. Okay, again let us see how to draw First, we have selected polygon. If you want pentagon, then also with the help of shape tool, you can change the edges like this. Okay, like this you can create a different shape. If you use if you take a number of points, there are so many points. Then also with the help of shape tool, you can create a any type of drawing like this. You can also remove the outline. Let us take dark color. Okay, like this you can create a number of shape with the help of polygon. Like this, it has star symbol. Let us create star symbol. Zoom it. Here also you can increase the number of points. Then again fill it with color and remove the outline. Then you can find that it is look different. Okay, like this you can use this tool as per your creativity. It has also complex star. Here is a complex star. If you fill it with color, then it will show like this. Here also you can move the nodes and create a shape as per your creativity, as per your requirement, as per your logic. Okay, this complex star also we increase or decrease number of nodes like this. You can make different shape. There is no limit. How can you make the shape? Now the next one is graph paper. Graph paper is not compulsory to use, but if you want evenly distributed rows and column for any presentation, then you can use a graph paper. Because in Corora there is also table menu or table tool is also available. But if you want to designing purpose, number of rows column, then you can use graph paper. You can also fill it with color. Okay, and you can also increase decrease the number of rows and column. Here you have to draw it again. Okay, like this you can use a graph paper. After that there is spiral. Spiral is used for designing for border purpose. Here is the spiral. Let us increase the line width. Okay, this is spiral. This is one type. One other type is available. Symmetrical. You can use symmetrical. Okay, you can also here increase number of lines like this. Again, apply the line width. You can also give the line color. Okay, for presentation purpose you can use it. Suppose here we have this. Let us copy paste it and click on mirror. Then you can also create a border. Again, suppose select both shapes, copy paste, only copy paste and move the object. Like this, you can simply create a border. Okay, you can also use it like this. Suppose we take this shape, increase the border, little zoom this part. Okay, copy paste it, click on mirror, and then again once more click on mirror. Little zoom it, place it properly. Okay, like this also you can make a border. Again, suppose we use copy paste. Before copy paste, let us group it. Group and then use copy paste. Like this also you can use a border, create a border with the help of spiral. Like this, you simply you can use a polygon star, complex star, graph and spiral control. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.